You're playing GTA 6, driving a supercar through the neon streets of Vice City. You check your phone and the notification pings. Another $100,000 just hit your bank account from your nightclub. You didn't do a thing. You were just driving. Your first thought is probably, man, I wish real life worked that way. Most people treat that in-game business system as a pure fantasy, a temporary escape from the actual reality of working 40 hours a week just to pay the rent and watch inflation quietly eat away at whatever's left. But I'm going to tell you something that might make you uncomfortable. The business mechanics in GTA 6 are not a fantasy. They are the cold, mechanical rules of actual wealth building. Rockstar Games isn't just giving you an escape, they are handing you the exact blueprint for financial freedom that rich people use every single day. You don't need years to fix your finances. You need a simple, focused 90-day reset. You need to stop playing the game and start engineering your real-world income machine. For the next 90 days, we are turning off your emotional brain, ignoring the traditional bad financial advice that failed you, and setting up a step-by-step system to rebuild your finances from scratch. Here is the exact 3-phase blueprint to reset your cash flow, wipe out the high-interest anchors, and automate your wealth engine before this quarter ends. Phase 1, days 1 through 30, stabilize the machine. In GTA, you don't start by buying the $100 million casino. You start by grinding linear missions to get enough capital to buy your first productive asset, like a clubhouse or a cargo warehouse. You can't build a business on zero. Your first 30 days are about one thing: stopping the bleeding and achieving total clarity. You are grinding, not investing. Step 1 is executing a strict 30-day capital freeze. Every single non-essential expense stops today. The average person is currently carrying around 8 distinct digital subscriptions, many of which they have completely forgotten about, siphoning cash from their accounts every month. For 30 days, we cut the noise. No dining out, no impulse orders, no subscription boxes, no new clothes. Your cash flow is limited strictly to basic groceries, critical housing, and essential transportation. Step 2 is establishing total visibility. You are going to write down every single dollar that crosses your account on a simple physical paper grid. When you force yourself to visually process your spending by hand, you shatter the psychological illusion of frictionless digital payments that are designed to keep you spending. Step 3 is building your immediate shield. Every single dollar saved from your 30-day freeze goes directly into an untouchable reserve until you reach exactly $1,000. Do not worry about saving 6 months of expenses right now. That comes later. Right now, $1,000 in cash is enough to handle most everyday headaches, a flat tire, a medical copay, or a minor home repair, without forcing you to use high-interest credit cards and dig a deeper hole. Phase 2, days 31 through 60, eradicate the anchors. In GTA, your goal is to transition as fast as possible from linear manual labor missions to automated recurring revenue businesses. But you can't run an efficient business if you are constantly paying off huge penalties every single day. Most people try to pay off their debt using emotion. They pay a little bit here, a little bit there, focusing on whichever account makes them angriest. That is a disorganized, linear approach that guarantees you will stay in debt for decades. We are implementing the single most mathematically efficient process for debt eradication known, the debt avalanche. We are targeting high-interest credit card debt, which Federal Reserve data reveals has climbed to record U.S. national highs, with average interest rates hovering near a punishing 21%. Paying 21% interest is the exact inverse of building wealth. It is building poverty on autopilot. Your instructions for Phase 2 are mechanical. Keep your spending low and divert every single dollar of extra cash, every single dollar, directly at the single debt balance with the absolute highest interest rate, while paying just the minimums on the rest.
To accelerate this, we need speed. For these 30 days, you must temporarily expand your linear income. Pick up some extra linear effort, drive for a service, sell unneeded physical items around your home, or pick up digital freelance work. Every single dollar from this temporary boost bypasses your daily checking account and gets slamming straight into your highest interest debt. Phase 3, days 61 through 90, the automated engine. By day 60, things look completely different. Your spending baseline is reset, your $1,000 cushion is sitting in the bank, and your highest interest debt is actively collapsing. This is the exact moment where 90% of people fail. They feel the relief, let their guard down, go right back to their old spending habits, and end up right back at square one within 6 months. Phase 3 is where we lock in your gains permanently by building an automated, recurring wealth engine that generates cash flow without your daily presence. This is your real-life nightclub. We're taking the cash surplus you created by resetting your lifestyle and automating it. We stop holding excess liquid cash, which inflation quietly erodes every day, and begin acquiring real, appreciating, productive assets. You are going to establish a new permanent automated investing machine routing directly into low-cost broad market index funds, such as ETFs that track the S&P 500. Here is the mechanical rule. Choose a fixed dollar amount from your new monthly cash surplus, whether that's $50 or $500. Set up an automated transfer that moves that exact amount out of your account on the exact day your paycheck clears. By using automated dollar cost averaging, you remove emotion from the equation entirely. You stop trying to time the market, you stop stressing over financial news, and you force your money to quietly compound in the background while you sleep. That supercar you are driving in GTA is waiting for you in the real world, but it isn't something reserved for the lucky or the wealthy. It is the natural mathematical result of 90 days of focused operational execution. Stop letting other people's algorithms and financial anxiety dictate your future. Pick up a pen, map out your next 90 days on paper, and build your engine. Start executing today.